In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video background to your Jotform in just 5 minutes. This feature not only enhances the visual appeal of your form, but also provides a dynamic way to engage with users. So let's dive right in. First things first, the key is to use the card layout for your Jotform. This layout is specifically designed to incorporate different media elements effectively, including video backgrounds. Once that's sorted, you can utilize the Form Designer tool. To start, you'll need to go to jotform.com. If you're not already signed in, do so using your existing credentials. Now, once you're logged in, take a look at the upper right corner of your dashboard. You'll find an option labeled Templates. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page filled with various form templates. Here, you want to focus on selecting a card form template. This is important because it's the specific layout that supports video backgrounds beautifully. Browse through the variety of card templates until you find one that suits your needs. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and click on Use Template. With your template set, it's time to personalize it. Look towards the right side of your screen and you'll notice a paint roller icon. This icon is your gateway to the Form Designer menu. Click it to open the menu. Inside you'll see a number of design options, but for our purpose today, you want to select the Video tab. This tab gives you access to a range of video backgrounds that you can freely add to your form. If you'd like to add a personal touch, you can also opt to use your own video. Find the custom button within the tab and click it to add your unique video file. Typically, a YouTube video link works best for this. Simply copy the URL of your chosen video and paste it into the video URL field provided. This flexibility allows you to tailor the video content to your specific theme or professional requirements. Once you've entered the video URL, make sure everything is correct and then click the Save Link button. This step applies your video background to the form, allowing it to display seamlessly to your users. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can add a vibrant and engaging video background to your Jotform. Whether you're aiming to make a great first impression or simply want to enhance user engagement, incorporating a video background is a fantastic option. Thanks for tuning in and be sure to check out more tutorials for improving your digital projects.